Hi guys, so I wanted to do a video on harvesting some of the stuff in our allotment, but Mum has got to me first, so we are going to get summer stuff and I'll show you what she's already picked. So she's already picked carrots, she's already picked, well, she done the onions quite a few days ago. What we're going to do is we're going to get some runner beans. Yes? What we're looking at, oh yeah, so that's been cultivated now, that's ready. Let's go and have a look. Oh, here's something I have to keep doing. I have to keep getting these damn caterpillars off of my kale. They're always on it, they're always annoying me. So let's work our way onto the runner beans. I should have brought a pot, shouldn't I? That's quite nice. They're not quite there yet. There's got to be a big one around here. There's a big one. Ah, here we go, up here. That'll do, that's a nice one. Let's pull that one off. Mum's stinging herself behind me. What are you pulling up? Beetroot. Oh, I thought we'd missed all of that. It's a nice beetroot. How many you got left down here then? Quite a few?
I've got one little row.
You got one row?
I only did one row. So why cabbage have been eaten alive?
Cabbage are gone. What's eating them?
Caterpillars.
Caterpillars.
I've given up with the net.
Oh yeah. Oh look, there's a big juicy caterpillar.
Oh, take him off.
Why? You said it's already been eaten.
No, because they'll eat the other things.
Well, there's one there. Look at the size of him. There's like.
Oh no, see a caterpillar, take him off.
All right, yeah. See a caterpillar, take him off.
I've been going around taking caterpillars off.
You harvesting any more beetroot or not?
Yeah.
You've left all the chickens out.
No.
Why has she done that? Ah, Mum, you got like 6 chickens out. Right.
I'll get Lily.
Right, go round her. Go round her. There you go.
No, she's eating a tomato.
You away. She'll eat your food. She's jumping up at the child because she's got tomato. Come on. Come on. Come on. In. Ginge. Down, Ginge. Down, Ginge. Yeah, good girl. Ah. There we go. Ah, put your wing down, shitbag. There we go. Right, back to the harvesting. God, chickens. Typical, isn't it? So, as you know, we've got corn, cucumber coming up here. And I'm getting back to them runner beans. See if we can find some big ones. Oh, here we go. Just in here. There's a nice one. Let a few of them grow through a bit. We'll have you. I don't like coming through here. Last time I come through here, literally I walked out with them all sticking on my shoulder till they get stuck. There's got to be some good ones in here. Right, let's have a look. Ah, what we got through here? Nice one. Here we do. It's a baby. She's a long one. Oh, detach it with my hands. Work our way through. My lettuce is gone in here. I was growing lettuce in here for the guinea pigs that they were first having, but it's wilted away. It wasn't getting enough sunlight or rain in there. It wasn't too bad. There's a couple of nice ones. Got a handful so far. So, selling a lot of veg. Been doing the honesty box with the eggs, the veg. But it's selling quite well. So I think Mum and Dad are quite happy. All the excess veg that we don't need, that we don't cook. There's only so much veg one needs. There's another one. There's another one, if I can get it. There we go. Bing! Oh, I broke one. I need a pot or something. So we're getting a fair few now. I've got a good handful. My partner's got a good handful. Dad's getting a few as well. Child's pulling a few, aren't you, Rocky? You're finding the big ones that I keep missing. So, oh, look, here she goes. You go on then, pull it. And that one there's a big one there too.
You got to look everywhere.
Yeah, that's it, Paul. Well done. Add to the pile.
There's
I
actually
do.
more than you think low down.
There's a lot low down. There, Rock, down there. That's it.
Yeah,
Oh, I ain't got that many hands.
well, you need to have brought a basket.
Well, yeah, we should have brought a basket with us, shouldn't we?
Yeah,
we didn't.
or a bucket
Well,
or something.
I'm an idiot, whatever.
Yeah.
So there's our stash of runner beans for the day. Quite a few there. We sell them in handfuls. Just drop one. So we'll tie them up into handfuls of about, I don't know, somewhere around 8, 10 maybe as a guess. And put them out in the honesty box. So today's haul of eggs need to go away as well. Our broody hen is laying some dodgy eggs there, which are getting cracked as well. So our potatoes are stored in a really dark room. Let's just put a torch on for you guys. So we're storing them in these sacks we got from the local chippy. That's how we're storing them. I'll show you a couple of our potatoes in here. Look, got some nice ones in here. Some small, some big. I think there's a variety of different types of potatoes as well. But the problem was, we had a problem with the ridge up, and Dad got them all muddled up. Look at that. That's a nice jacket potato, isn't it, guys? Right, let's go have a look at this honesty box now. Let's go have a look. So, yeah, I think they're pretty happy with how they're doing with the veg and that. So, Mum's out there now. Ooh, my car. Let's go and see how she's getting on. So I think it's the signs that's helping as well. Plenty of signs out. It's just updating them now. Eggs, £1 for half a dozen. Lettuce 50p, and that's about a good handful of lettuce. New potatoes £1. Cauliflower 50p. Cabbage 50p. So here's the cauliflower. Lovely stuff. Beetroot, some runner beans there, carrots, we see the carrots earlier, cabbage. What type of cabbage is that?
Just a white cabbage.
Just a white cabbage. Is that round lettuce?
Yeah, that's a web.
The webs. You got any romaine out under there or not? No,
Doesn't keep.
the romaine doesn't keep. Yeah, and then obviously we have this nice little box here. Put your money in there. Eggs, nice pots of eggs. We put dates on them as well. And we've got these little notes like fresh farm eggs from our lovely hens and whatnot, and potatoes. You can knock it on the door as well if we run out. Homegrown unsprayed veg. Another sign there as well. And Mum's updating this side. Ruby, go away. Cats, we don't like them coming up because it's a 60-mile-an-hour road here. Literally, I think the yeah, you can see the 30. This planter out here has got carrots in it as well. You can see the carrot tops there. I forgot they put them in there actually. There's quite a few there. Right guys, so I hope you're enjoying the channel so far. Sorry I didn't get to show you the potato harvesting. You didn't miss much, cutting the tops off, digging them out, putting them in the sack. You didn't miss a lot. I don't want to show too much. We try and give you the good stuff. So yeah, right, thanks for watching guys. New to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and join our journey here in Pembrokeshire, West Wales. Recording of this video will probably be about 10 months here, hopefully around. Well, for you guys it's 10 months, but here we've been here about 9. It's just the time that the video is going live. So yeah, thanks for watching and we'll see you in our next video. Take care, have a good day.